Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I have a planner cover haul to share today. Let's go on and get right into it. Everything that I have here is from Amazon, and I will link it in the description box below. So I've prepared these boxes to be open, but I have not actually opened and looked at what's inside. So I'm not even going to try to open this all cute. Let's just open it. Ta-da! And I hope this works. Okay, so this is the first one. Let's move these over a little bit. This is the first one. It is a clear cover. And I think, is this the... Okay, it says it's the A5. It's supposed to hold A5 discs. I wondered how this worked. This is by DiscAgenda, and it has these plastic pieces with discs cut out that are attached to the clear cover. So I have my, oh, am I missing a disc? Here it is, it fell off. So there's not enough pages in here to hold this, really hold the discs on. Let's move this completely out of the way. But hopefully this can hold it. So I think it's probably meant for larger discs, but this is what we got for now. So I'm just gonna pop these onto the plastic things here and see how this works. Very interesting. Okay. And that is the cover. It's quite a bit bigger than the inserts. But I guess that gives you room for tabs and other things for overhang. And also, if you use larger discs, it gives you room for the larger discs. I think that's the difference. So, let's see. I don't have anything that I want to put in here right now with larger discs, but that is how it works. Very cool. I like that. And it has rose gold hardware. They do have other hardware colors like silver and gold. I'm not sure what's in stock. This cover is very thick, excellent quality. I would say it's probably just a little less than 1/8 of an inch thick. Yeah. So very, very thick. It's thicker than any of the clear planners that I have ordered before. So I think this is really cool. Okay, so there's that first one, which was the heart box. Now let's open the second box. This is also from DiscAgenda. And I don't have anything to demonstrate this one yet, but I have something coming soon. This is the classic size. Ta-da. So it's quite considerably larger than the A5. But I'm guessing again that it can hold the larger discs. And now that we know how it works, you just pop your top 2 and bottom 2 discs onto the plastic pieces. And you're good to go. Very nice. Now this one just has the DiscAgenda logo embossed into the cover. This one actually has a rose gold foil marking on the spine. Other than that, I don't see any other markings other than the snap closure has the logo on it. Okay. So we got 2 sizes, A5 and classic. Then we have a little treat for myself. This is a Moterm cover. And let's just dive right in. Okay. They come in these little baggies. It's like a velveteen style baggie. Ta-da! This is a A5 disc bound cover. This is the burgundy color. I went with burgundy because they didn't have black, they had pink, but I didn't really want the pink. I wanted something a little different. I almost got the burnt orange and changed my mind. These are fairly expensive to me, but it's definitely a treat and something that I can use over and over because I do use A5 discs. But I specifically got this cover for my Isis Ella Jules journal / planner / notebook. So if you remember in a video, I'll put a link in the iCard up above. I shared the dividers, the daily journal pages, and the grid pages that are available for the A5. They also have a classic size. I'll link to Isis Ella Jules in the description box below. The inserts and dividers go on sale on the 21st at IsisEllaJules.com. You cannot use my coupon code for that, but you can use my code for stickers if you're buying stickers. And the sale starts at 9 a.m. Pacific time. I'll put all the information in the description box below. But I got this. Remember, we made the laminated covers to protect the inserts and the dividers, but I knew I was getting this cover. I still wanted to have that added protection. So it fits nicely. I think it's just going to take some time to mold around the disc, but I really like this. It doesn't feel, it feels a little more sturdy and stiff compared to the other Moterms. It's not as floppy as the B6 covers, but I think that has to do with the size. It has a little more reinforcement in the cover, so it's a little more sturdy. This does slide more than I would like. I wonder if that has anything to do with the laminate. Let's try putting it in here and see what happens. I don't like it in there. Let's put it back in this pocket. I may come back and do something completely different to protect this or add to it, because now that I have this beautiful cover, I think I want to do something a little more special. Also have, I have the perfect paper pad to go with this, but I also have this loop here, pin loop. So I have to check my collection of pins and see what I want to add to it. I guess I should share the features of it. So it has the huge pocket in the back. Not sure what I would use that for. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 card slots on the front. It has a pocket here, pocket here, pocket here, and then you have a zipper pocket here. Looks like that. So it goes all the way to this edge. And let's see. And these are like little slots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots. Then you got the pocket here. You got a secretarial pocket here. And it looks like that on the inside. Then you got a large pocket here. So plenty of room. I wonder what a full-size envelope fit in there. Probably. But wow, this is really, really nice. Okay, but yeah, so that is all 3 of the planner covers that I got. So let me know what you think about the covers in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.